let's explore some of the features of the Gatekeeper. From the home screen, we can open the gate or open the intercom. Let's open the intercom. Gatekeepers using solar will take longer to connect. To talk to someone at your front gate, press the middle button in the bottom center. The first time you use the intercom, you'll need to press it twice to allow permissions. In the top left corner, you'll see an FHD icon. Press the icon to change the video quality. Changing to SD or standard definition can speed the load time. Let's push the up arrows in the bottom right-hand corner to see more options. To view past events, push the playback button. If you want to receive alerts on motion, click the PIR button and set the sensitivity. Push the gate icon to open the front gate. If you prefer not to hold to talk, you can change the talk mode in the settings. Under Basic Functions, click Talk Mode. You can change this to two-way talk. The device comes pre-configured. If you're using solar, ensure the working mode is left on power saving. As you can see, the talk icon has now changed, meaning when pressed, the microphone will stay connected. When answering a video call, your phone may show a screen that looks different to this. Once you've finished a call, to open the gate, navigate back to the To Use Smart app. Thank you for using the Gatekeeper. We're confident it'll serve you well. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions on extra information we should include in this video, please don't hesitate to get in touch.